Alright guys, this is May 1st, Friday for Algebra 1. I know there's been a ton of work this week. That's why I tried to help y'all out and push some things off if I can to give y'all a little bit of break. Today then, just do the quiz. Now what we're going to do, I'll kind of outlay it for you. So 1 through 4, you're just telling me the least common denominator. So you're just doing what do you factor the bottom and see which ones they have. And so that would be like, for example, if you had x plus 2 here, and you had x plus 3 over here, then what would be the factor? What would be the common denominator? Well, this one has an x plus 2, this one has an x plus 3, so your common denominator would be x plus 2 times x plus 3. And then so that'd be how you work those. The numbers again, remember you just do the prime factorization if it's just a plain number. Like if your denominator was 14 and 10, you would just do the prime factorization and then see what they had in common, which one had the most, and then take that number out like we talked about. And so for example, I'll just do it real quick. If they were 14 and 10, I would do the prime factorization of 14, which would be 2 and 7. Prime factorization of 10 would be 2 and 5. So they both have a 2. So that means I can just kind of only use one of them. If one of them would have had two 2's, then I would have had two 2's. But since both of them only have a 2, I can use a 2. Then I would need to use a 7, and then I would need to use a 5. So it would be 2 times 7 times 5 would be the common denominator. 5, 6, 7, and 8, you are actually, it says add or subtract the rational expressions as indicate, write the resulting expression in factor form. So again, number 5, they go ahead and give you the common denominator, so all you have to do is add the like terms on the numerators and then put it over the denominator since they already give you the common denominator. Number 6, they give you the factors, so you have to find the common denominator, then see which one is missing and multiply that times the numerator. And so for example, if it'd be like this one I did up here on the board, if I had x plus 4 here, and then I had x plus 5 here, then the common denominator would be x plus 4 times x plus 5, and then I would have to say, okay, this one had an x plus 4, what's it missing? It's missing the x plus 5, so I have to multiply the numerator by x plus 5. What's this one missing? The x plus 4, so I have to multiply the numerator by x plus 4. So that would be how they work if they don't have a common denominator already. And then once you have the common denominator, you just add the numerators and then see what cancels and how you can reduce it. Number 7 works the same way. Have to find a common denominator, and then you can, once you have that, you can add and subtract across the top. Same with number 8, and then that will take you through. So it's 1 through 8 on the quiz. Just do your best, use your notes, go back through the videos if you need to, just do what you can. I hope you are doing well, and I'll see y'all next week.